Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by ensuring the app is updated and you're signed in. This avoids QR errors. Open Settings and tap Link Devices to access the QR scanner menu. On desktop, open Link Devices from the side menu to display your QR code for pairing. Once done, make sure the scanning device's camera is focused and that permissions for camera access are granted. This step must be completed before scanning. Otherwise, the pairing process will fail at the first handshake. Now perform the core action. Either scan from your phone or show the code on the computer. If you're scanning, select Link a device and grant camera access, then align the QR code inside the on-screen frame. Steady hands matter. If you're displaying the code, open linked devices on the other client so the QR appears clearly. Once scanned, WhatsApp negotiates a secure session automatically. Wait for the confirmation message before proceeding to avoid interrupted sync or missing messages. Finish by confirming the new device shows as linked and let message history sync. Synchronization can take a few minutes depending on size. Once linked, you can message normally. Make sure sessions are logged and devices you no longer use are removed for security. If something goes wrong, try the key troubleshooting step. Confirm both devices have working internet, restart the app, and retry scanning in bright, even light. If persistent failures occur, relog into WhatsApp on the primary device and repeat the QR process.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.